Welcome to this video of the Quantum of the Seas, a giant luxury cruise ship that made a historic visit to Kochi, Kerala, India in June 2015. As we tell you this story in February 2023, let's look back at the incredible visit of this amazing ship to India's shores. The Quantum of the Seas arrived at Kochi Port on Friday, June 5, 2015, as part of its world tour from Dubai to Shanghai. This 18-deck ship, operated by Royal Caribbean International, was the largest to ever call at an Indian port, with a gross tonnage of 167,800 and close to 4,000 guests from around the world, including 200 Indian passengers. From Fort Kochi beach, we can see the ship slowly sailing into the Arabian Sea, providing breathtaking views of the sea and the ship. In this video, we have included some wide-angle and telephoto shots of the ship sailing from Kochi Port into the Arabian Sea, viewed from Fort Kochi beach. The Quantum of the Seas boasted of exclusive first-at-sea features, including the North Star elevated glass capsule, ripcord by IFLI skydiving simulator, and bionic bar. It also had transformative venues such as the 270 multi-purpose multi-level room, which offered 270-degree panoramic views, and the largest Seaplex indoor activity area with bumper cars, roller skating, and a circus school. On the day of its arrival, the Quantum of the Seas exchanged plaques with the Kochi Port Trust, marking its historic visit to India. The ship departed Kochi on the same day, sailing towards Penang, leaving behind a lasting impression on the people who gathered at Fort Kochi beach to witness the grand ship. The Quantum of the Seas is one of the world's most modern cruise ships, part of the Quantum class of ships owned by Royal Caribbean International. This ship's arrival in India was significant, as it marked a milestone for Royal Caribbean International, pushing the boundaries and elevating cruising to be among the top vacation choices. As we come to the end of this video, we can see the Quantum of the Seas in the horizon, sailing away deep into the Arabian Sea. The memories of its visit to Kochi in 2015 are still fresh in the minds of those who witnessed this incredible ship in all its grandeur. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kerala Apex, for more interesting content. Thank you again for your support.